Well, today is Friday the 13th, and it looks like it's going to be a gorgeous day for sailing. There's about 7 to 10 knots of wind in the channel coming from west-northwest, so it should be fun. Let's see how the day goes, shall we? Powering out of Channel Islands Marina, you can hear Freddie is screaming in the background as only he can. You can see over to the starboard where the beginnings of dredging on this side of the channel is taking place. They'll be laying those out, and that'll be in the way. You can see in the background of the frame right there, the dredge. Anacapa Island over to the port side is beautiful. Sea state looks wonderful, and we're looking forward to a good day out. It's a Beneteau Oceanus 41. Now, as everybody who knows me knows, I'm not terribly competitive until it comes to boats that I know. This one is docked next to Tiburon, and I have a desire to pass it, so let's see what this little Ranger 26 can do. Goodbye to Pisces, who's on our beam and falling behind even further as we go. Time to be sportsmanlike. Come about and really just go on a nice reach and just relax for a while. Well, enough of the macho stuff. We passed Pisces, we took their picture, and I will have bragging rights on the dock, and for God knows how long. God knows I'll play it for everything it's worth. But it's a gorgeous day out. Just beautiful. About 10 knots of wind. Kanani's pulling 6 knots on a near reach, which, well, she's got a 150 up, and it's trimmed pretty, so that's not surprising. But it's just a great day to be alive and on the water. Sticking here. Well, so there it is. I get bragging rights with Pisces, having dropped her not once but twice. That's a Beneteau Oceanus 41, which there's no good reason in the world why a Ranger 26 can outsail her, except that, well, you do the math. Had a really good time. Short sail. Unfortunately, wind started picking up, and prudent sailor knows when to turn around and come home, and this seemed to be the time, because it was the forecast had up to 25 knots in it, and I think I just caught the edge of it as it was starting to come into the channel. So y'all have a good one. We'll catch you next time sailing with Kanani. Have a good time.